shopping cart trick could possibly not work for you because you got fraud alerts on your account. The information that you're putting in is not in the system. Sometimes you guys are not doing like the incognito mode. Sometimes you guys are not clearing your cookies. It could be multiple reasons why the shopping cart trick is not working for you. Now, if you are not able to get the shopping cart trick to work, let me see if I can get it to work on my computer, or my assistant, let him see if he can get it to work on his computer. Because when he try to see if he can get that pop-up, if he's able to get that pop-up, then that means there's something wrong with your computer. But make sure you guys is making sure like the information that you're putting into the system, when you're checking out, make sure that same information is already on your factor trust report, because that's what they're matching the information up with. Make sure you guys are opting into factor trust and a pre-screen opt-out. Make sure you guys are opting in so that you can be in the systems. But try to see if you can get it to work. If not, let us try to see if we can get it to work, and then watch my video and make sure you're doing each step. And if you can't get it to work 1 week, wait a week, wait 2 weeks, maybe try the next month, and try to see if you can get it to work. Maybe it's taking longer for your information to be in the system. And then make sure for sure that you don't have fraud alerts on your account, because they're not going to most likely